Hey everyone. Have you ever wondered how your favorite streaming service knows exactly what you want to watch next? Or how your smartphone can unlock just by looking at your face? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning. This technology is everywhere, and it's changing the way we live, work, and interact with the digital world around us. So let's break it down together, shall we? What is machine learning? What exactly is machine learning? At its core, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on building systems that can learn from and make decisions based on data. While all machine learning is AI, not all AI is machine learning. It's a bit like saying all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares, right? Now, let's take a quick journey back in time. Machine learning has roots that go back several decades, evolving from simple algorithms to the complex models we have today. Who knew computers could learn without being explicitly programmed? Types of machine learning. All right, now let's get to the meat of it. Types of machine learning. There are three main categories. Supervised learning. This is like a teacher guiding students. With supervised learning, we feed the machine data that has labeled outcomes. For instance, if we show a machine a bunch of pictures of cats and dogs and clearly label which is which, the machine learns to identify them on its own. It's used for things like spam detection in our emails and credit score predictions. Unsupervised learning. Now picture a self-discovery journey. In unsupervised learning, there are no labels or outcomes given to the machine. It's tasked with finding patterns or groupings within the data. An example could be clustering customers based on purchasing behaviors. It helps companies understand their customers better without already knowing what they are searching for. Reinforcement learning. If you've seen a dog learn tricks through treats, you'll get the idea of reinforcement learning. In this case, machines learn by trial and error, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. Autonomous vehicles rely heavily on this type of learning. How machine learning works. Now, let's talk about how machine learning actually functions. First and foremost, it all starts with data collection. The more quality data you have, the better your machine can learn. Think about it. If you only show a child one type of animal, they won't know all the different animals exist. Next up is model training. This is where algorithms play a big role. We essentially create models that use this data to learn over time. We train the model on a part of our data and then test it on another part to see how well it performs. It's like preparing for a test by studying, but then seeing how well you actually do when the teacher gives you the exam. Lastly, we have evaluation and improvement. This step is crucial. We measure the machine's performance using metrics like accuracy and recall. If it doesn't perform as expected, we tweak and improve it until we get it right. It's a constant cycle of learning and adapting. Real-world applications of machine learning. Now, let's look at where we see machine learning in action every day. Healthcare. Imagine doctors using machine learning to diagnose diseases faster or tailor treatment plans based on individual patient data. It's changing lives. Finance. Banks use machine learning algorithms for fraud detection. They can spot unusual transactions in seconds, protecting your hard-earned money. Transportation. You know those navigation apps that help you avoid traffic? Yep, that's machine learning predicting patterns and optimizing routes, and it's also at the heart of self-driving cars. Customer service. Chatbots that answer your questions instantly are powered by machine learning. They're learning from interactions every day to improve their responses. Challenges and limitations of machine learning. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some challenges. For instance, data privacy is a huge concern. How do we ensure our personal information remains safe? Bias in algorithms is another issue. If the data we feed machines is biased, the outcomes will be too. And you know what? Machines also need a ton of labeled data to learn effectively, which isn't always easy to come by. Last but not least, computational resources can be demanding, which may limit accessibility for smaller organizations. The future of machine learning. So what does the future hold for machine learning? Well, emerging trends like explainable AI, which helps us understand how decisions are made, and edge computing, where data processing happens closer to the source, are on the horizon. Machine learning is going to be integrated even more into various industries, and it'll be exciting to see how collaboration across fields will drive innovation. To wrap it all up, machine learning is a powerful tool reshaping the world we live in. From healthcare to finance, knowing how it works and where it's applied can truly enhance our understanding of technology. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next video.